So let's start. We first get to our Adobe Acrobat Pro, and from there on, if we get to our home, and we can have these menus. So if we want to edit a specific file, we can drag it to here, or also from file menu we can import by going to the open menu. Now we on the right side get to the edit option, and from here on we can edit it according to our needs. So it's done. We just close it, and we can export it to any of our desired format. So I have done it for you. Let me check it. So these are the imported and exported file. Also we can organize the pages, like if I want to remove this page from this PDF, or I can make this exchange with the different numbers, and also I can create and fill in the sign in. So I can also create the sign in option here. So endless possibilities are there for the new Adobe user to edit and import, export, and also fill the forms, and also sign by its custom built or from the computer generated. Thank you.